let's do this for the benefit of the total beginner. What is SEM?
Okay, so I would say SEM is a short form for search engine marketing. So it's like any advertisers out there, you can get on board to Google Ads and start running search ads targeting on keywords. And in fact, I think things have changed a lot, right? Since I think recently all the thing about like AI, machine learning has comes in. And in fact, I believe few years down the road or even few months down the road, it will be a thing that we don't even need to bid for any keywords anymore, right? So things have changed. So I think I'm not sure how these things will change. In fact, for SEM, it's as simple as you bidding for any keywords that are with reference to your service or products. Yeah, then that's where your ad shows up. Yeah, so that is in a layman example of explanation of SEM. Yeah.
Awesome. So SEM technically is when you want to go out using Google and YouTube ads to surface your businesses and actually let people find you, right? Is to get found.
Yeah.
Okay, on the right platform.
Correct.